Welcome to Gray's Lake, where the vibes are high and the views are even better.
This town is packed with charm, like the Heritage Center and Clock Tower.
If you need to chill, the Beer Bazaar is a must for local brews.
We have everything from cozy streets to hidden gems in the alleys.
Whether you are biking or catching a game, there's always something happening.
The granary is a total staple, and the architecture here is just top tier.
It is the quiet moments and friendly faces that make this feel like home.
Nothing beats the sound of a sizzling pan.
Our hero is going all out tonight with some golden brown chicken. Wait, the managers are here and they are taking quality control very seriously.
While the chicken simmers with apples, they are prepping the signs.
If only you could smell this ginger and garlic through your phone screen.
A cozy night in requires a massive pot of tea on the stove.
Check out this braised pork knuckle, it is practically falling off the bone already. Plus some crispy pan-fried tofu with scallions to round everything out. Perfection. Dinner is served, the cats are finally chilling, and the vibes are officially immaculate.
After about 20 minutes cycling from my daughter's house, I finally arrived at the Gray Lake Village Center, and I'm going to explore this old town. The first building we met is the granary. It's already 100 years old and originally used as a warehouse, but right now it's converted to an apartment.
Millennium Court and the Granary are actually two landmarks closely adjacent and echoing each other. The Granary is a historical building that silently tells the story of the 1895 railway, while Millennium Court is like an open-air historical museum square. Just look around, this place is a perfect time capsule of late 19th century American charm. I love the architectural character here.
Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, 仙人海客 aka Heavenly-Hiker. This is Paul, walking in the downtown Gray Lake right now. From the building you can see it is a totally old town. Beer Bazaar. Wow, this is a beautiful village. Okay, let's go. Great Lake Village. This is the center. Very good, very good. And I just went to Beer Bazaar and bought some local beer. Yeah, just like my backpack. I just carried it home and really enjoy it. I just love cruising around this kind of old town after it's so relaxing.
Right behind me is the Grave Lake Heritage Center and History Museum, the cultural heart of this historic town. Enjoying this half-day trip around the old town? Don't forget to like and subscribe. I need to ride back now to help prepare the confinement meals.